If I was starting affiliate marketing today, I'll do this first. If I had to start affiliate marketing again today, with no audience, no money, and no experience, I will ignore 90% of what beginners focus on and do one thing first. And what is that one thing? In this video, I show you exactly what that one thing is and why it matters more than tools, platform, or products. Step 1. I choose one problem, not many. Most beginners fail because they chase everything. If I was starting again, I'll pick just one problem, one audience, one outcome. For example, helping beginners use AI to start earning online. Clarity beats complexity. Step number 2, I'll build one simple content system. I wouldn't post randomly. I'll focus on 2 long videos per week, short clips from those videos, one clear message repeatedly. No overthinking, no perfection, because consistency beats creativity. Step number 3, I'll start collecting email immediately. Views don't pay bills, attention disappear, but email stays. From day one, I'll offer a simple free guide, then collect emails and build trust off YouTube. This is where real income starts. Step number 4, I'll promote one evergreen offer. Not many links, not many products, just one beginner-friendly solution. Why? Because focus builds momentum. Once one part works, you can expand. If you are confused right now, that's normal. But clarity comes when you stop searching for shortcuts and start following a simple system. I've broken that system down step by step in my evergreen video. Watch it next using the link below, or join my email list for daily guidance. You don't need more ideas, you just need the right starting point. See you in the next video.